Alright guys, it's unboxing time once again. So, just came in today. Look what I've got. So, I got a package today from Sen. Tapos, tingnan natin yung laman sa loob. Okay? Okay? Excited? Okay, so hindi pa niya alam kung nasa loob. Okay? So, oops, a package from Sampleroom. Okay, so nakarating siya dito from Manila, going here sa Cebu. Okay, so thank you, Sampleroom. So, okay, let's see what's inside. So, Pond's Age Miracle Wrinkle Corrector. So, siguro kailangan ko na dito. Yan. Siguro pag age ka na, kasi 35 na ako, so I think kailangan ko na talaga. Okay, I will try and then I'm going to post some reviews about this Pond's Age Wrinkle Corrector. Age Miracle. Okay. Another one is Bello. So, teka, talitasin yung bubble wrap. Okay. Bello Baby Hand Sanitizer Green Apple. Okay. Yan. Bello Baby. Okay, this is for my baby. Pero sabi niya hindi na daw siya baby. So, diba? Pero kailangan pa rin yan, hand sanitizer, diba? And another one, this one is a peach variant of Bello Baby. This is a hand sanitizer. Let's see nga kung mabango. Open mo nga yan. Which one is mabango? Spray a little. Yan. Bango yung peach. Okay. Okay, try. No, rub it first. Which one is mabango? Peach is good. Sa'yo, what's that? Green apple. So, oh yeah. Mabango na. Okay. What do you want? So, yung green apple daw, mas mabango. Alright. So, anyway, guys, come here. So, we have 3 products here kasi minimum nila for Sampleroom is you ask 3 samples per package. So, we've got 3 here. So, ito, gagamitin namin yun and then we're going to post a vlog review soon on my blog. It's www.sweetierosays.info. That's SWITIROHSAYS.info. And you can reach me also through my other blog, which is www.baliwagennews.info. So magpo-post din ako ng mga sa mga products doon using this. And also thank you so much Sampleroom for this sample. Sampleroom is www.sampleroom.ph. Okay, you can also like and follow their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and other sites at sampleroom.ph. So guys, log on and then make your profile at sampleroom.ph para maka-receive din kayo ng free stuffs like this. So you've got to try first the products before you actually buy it sa mga leading groceries and department stores nationwide. So they offer free products like this. So mag-pay ka lang ng shipping fee for all of this stuff here. So you gotta try it first. You gotta try the product first bago mo actually bilhin ng samot. And also they have points sa kanilang Sampleroom. So you will earn by referring and inviting your friends sa kanilang page. Okay? So try na namin to. Okay, try na namin kasi di ba mainit sa labas and then we got to sanitize our hands first. And also I'm gonna use this Age Miracle Wrinkle Corrector from Pond's. Okay, so tingnan natin what will happen. So I'm gonna read the lines here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this one works in my blog. Okay, so better wait for it on my blog. It's www.sweetierosays.info, and then please subscribe on my YouTube page found here. Press thumb up sign, thumbs up sign, okay, and hit like on my YouTube page and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.